mad at me?
This bitch better be worth something. The president better own this car or some shit.
So I jumped the gun. This is messy. We are picking up a car that I picked out. He's super excited about.
Super. We're gonna have a clapped out motor with like the little
Telling y'all what it is, yeah.
the dice balls on the mirror and shit. And he's like, this a Ripper, ain't it?
It better be a Mustang.
It's similar to a Mustang.
It's a Crown Vic.
The screen goes blank.
It's not a Crown Vic, and it has something like a Cobra motor.
It's a Lincoln Navigator.
Oh nah, but it's one of them Lincoln Mark 1s and some Mark 2s. Remember this, bro? Those shit was cool as hell back then.
Something like that.
So not only are we going to get this mystery turd, but it's an hour away, and now Cena tells us it's got first and second gear only. So, and the tires are completely shot, and the guy's trying to keep the battery too. What's the story on this thing? Was this like your family's or?
I bought it thinking that it was just the brakes and some other stuff, and then it's the trans. And my shoulders completely collapsed since then, and it just fucking kills me to even try to work on it.
Yeah, I feel you.
I don't want to get rid of it. I'd love to finish it, but at the same time, like I just don't have it in me.
Yeah.
Like,
So it's only got first and second. It's got reverse.
yeah, it goes reverse.
Okay.
It's got that little battery kill switch. Like I said, I just bought this battery.
Yeah.
I mean, I could probably throw it in for like 50, 60 bucks.
Okay.
Yeah. Like 600, I was like, man, I'm already losing like 800 on the car.
You got Flowmaster.
Yeah. It blows, but it needs this HVAC, these vacuum lines right here.
Yeah.
Go back to that thing. It needs those finished up.
We got a YouTube channel, so we're just buying it to probably put some boost on it or something.
Yeah. Oh hell yeah. You can get a trans out of a fucking.
I work at a transmission shop.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was sad as hell when I got it all done. I took off, roasted the tires, and got out to Chester and hit it. It was like first, second neutral. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I feel it. So this was gonna be a giveaway car, and wow, it's gonna need some work. It's right up our alley. It's got the JBLs from the factory. Fucking sounds sweet.
Yeah, especially when you're
Feel a little better? Feel a little better?
It's not a Mustang, but it'll do.
battery. Yeah, it's an interstate.
Dude, some Cobra Lincoln stickers. I gotta have it.
Those center cap covers, and then it's got one for the hood for the 26 years Lincoln. Oh, good. But the dude Gino, he makes metal ones that look really nice.
Just spiced up the deal.
Yeah, dude. I'll twist my arm.
Now, y'all know they wanted to say, pull my leg.
What about 630?
We got a Lincoln.
We got a Cobra.
Okay.
It's literally a Cobra.
He said it'll do burnouts.
Oh, we're gonna make it do burnouts.
Will it do a burnout on the flatbed?
Yeah. Can it do a burnout on the flatbed?
It's gonna do a burnout as soon as it pulls out of you.
I'm gonna let Shelby destroy it, not me.
It comes out of here.
I found a car, and he's gonna destroy it.
I kind of like the car, honestly.
See? All right, you're feeling a lot better about
I was
it.
thinking Buick LeSabre or Sabre.
He almost got it.
I was like, this thing's terrible.
He said Mach 2.
But you know what I meant.
It's a Lincoln Navigator.
Oh nah, but it's one of them Lincoln Mark 1s. This is my Mark 2s.
Yeah.
I know exactly what you were saying.
Yeah.
I was like, what is this?
A Mach 8.
Yeah.
Not a Mach 1, it's a Mach 8.
Yeah.
It's better than a Mach 1. It's 8.
It's still a Mach. Still a Mach.
It's got 7 more numbers.
Still a Mach.
It's got a Georgia title.
That's fine.
So we're just going to have to make up a bill of sale and everything. I mean, we're going to have the bill of sale.
Yeah.
Well, they gonna have to.
They told me that one day.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It sounds so good back here.
Yeah, bro. You know you in a safe neighborhood where you got a couch at the mailbox waiting on the mailman.
I'm about to sit on there. Here, get that. Get me.
Yeah, it is. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh shit, here he goes. That be messed up. He just wrecks it. Try to whip it around. Yeah, look at that front valance. Just tires low.
Got power.
It only has first gear.
It's only got first. That's a good sign.
Look at all that rubber. Oh my god.
Look at the ball joint. That bitch is destroyed.
Yeah.
That bitch is destroyed.
Yo. It probably would have been bad news driving it. Your ass cracking Bruh.
Dude, so
Let's cut the mufflers off.
it's not dumping any kind of fluid.
No.
The bads are, it does not have second gear. It's only got first, but that's pretty good because there might be something just electronic wrong with
Yes.
it. Hell, the trainee could have had a rap fight the wires up. So
It might, nope, it might not even have power to the trans.
That's what's going on.
Yeah.
Because you put it in drive, there's nothing there. But then when you put it in
When you have just reverse and just drive,
manual,
the linkage is doing that. So electronically, something's going on where it's not going in a second.
All right, so we're taking guesses on what this car is supposed to run bone stock in the quarter. Messi says what?
14.5.
That's a good guess. I'm gonna say a 15.1.
I'll be optimistic, 13.9.
There ain't no way.
Ain't
dude.
no way,
Ain't no
bro.
way. That thing is gutless. It ain't running, top par right now, but
Oh, you said what?
15.1,
14.5.
14.5.
I'm going in between.
Oh, you're
I'm
gonna be
say-
that guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna say
14.7 or 8.
14.8.
14.8.
All right.
It's probably a 14.1 too.
What does a Lincoln Mark 8 1996 do at a quarter mile?
A stock 1996 Lincoln Mark 8 usually finishes the quarter mile at around 15.2.
Oh, okay.
15.2?
That's pretty weak.
Yeah.
That's That's like 1980s Dodge Omni times right there.
Yeah.
That's like very bad.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change that.
We got a piece of crap back here. Oh yeah, she's good. What do we got for next week?
Next week, we're actually going to clean the injectors on this.
Definitely.
Probably gonna put that on a dyno soon.
The blue car?
Probably put-
Oh yeah. Start guessing numbers, all right? So next week we might do some road tripping. Okay, last thing, are we gonna get the skis out anytime soon?
Skis, yes. I have to get a new top because I melted mine.
Tell them what you got. What happened to her?
So I have a Sea-Doo Spark. It's not made for open water, but it's pretty quick all around.
Yeah.
know,
You put the
turning.
turb ski on it.
I think we got it on low boost, 60 mile an hour.
That's pretty fast. Yeah, for a Spark. Good Lord.
Yeah.
And Cena's a big dude. I mean, him on this, he needs my ski and I need the Spark. I really don't need the Spark either, but
The Spark's pretty cool. It does wheelies.
it does.
You call it a wheelie?
Water wheelie.
There's no wheels.
And do a water wheelie. We got the Lincoln. Somebody's gonna potentially, if I don't kill the Lincoln first, someone's gonna win it.
No, if we break it, we're gonna have to fix it.
What's the odds that I kill the Lincoln before someone gets it?